In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate status changes based on dates in Monday.com. First, go to monday.com and log into your account. Once you're in, open the board where the items you want to manage are located. This is important because the automation will be created specifically for that board, so make sure you're in the right place before moving on. At the top of the board, click Automate. This opens the automation area where Monday.com lets you build actions that happen automatically based on triggers you choose. When the automation panel opens, click Create to start setting up a new one. Inside the Automation Center, use the search bar and type Date. This helps narrow down the available automation recipes so you can quickly find one based on a date trigger. From the results, choose a recipe like When Date Arrives, Notify Someone. Even though that example starts with a notification, don't worry, because you're going to customize it in the next step. Click Use this template. Now you'll see the recipe loaded and ready to edit. In the action portion, change Notify Someone to change status to something. This swaps the original action for the one you actually want, which is automatically updating a status column when a date arrives. Next, click the Date field placeholder. Monday.com will ask which date column should trigger the automation. Select the date column you want to track. This could be something like a deadline, due date, follow-up date, or any other date field already on your board. The key is choosing the exact column that should control when the status changes. After that, click the status placeholder. Then choose the status column you want Monday.com to update automatically. Once you've selected the correct status column, click the status label you want it to change to when the date arrives. For example, you might set it to something like Due Today, Overdue, Ready, or any label that already exists in that status column. When everything looks right, click Create Automation. That's it. Your automation is now active, and Monday.com will automatically change the selected status when the chosen date arrives, helping you keep your board current without needing to update items manually. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. As a quick tip, double-check that your date and status columns are the correct ones before saving, because even a small mismatch can make the automation update the wrong field. It's also a good idea to test the setup on an item with a nearby date so you can confirm it works exactly the way you expect. Once that's done, you're all set. Congratulations! Your date-based status automation is ready to go.